What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. It's Tuesday after the rainstorm. You know, my Sequoia smelled like wet firewood. You ever like take wet ash? You smell it. So my sunroof, I think, was clogged. But you won't see anything in the car, but I smelled it. It was very like musty, firewoody, smoked, earthy kind of thing. So when I brought it in this morning, I cleaned my sunroof drains on my 290,000 mile Sequoia, and they were clogged. So it's good just to do them for maintenance. But anyway, we have our favorite Uber and Lyft driver. See that? Just in case she forgets her name. Pull the oil stick out. So we're gonna see how much oil this high mileage car burns. 209,329. So she's a little over. She's a little over on the 3,000 mile mark, and I keep it at 3,000 miles because this car is in use a lot. It's older. So I'm gonna say maybe 2 quarts. 2 quarts of oil. What's up? Tell him to go up front. And so the reasons I set it at 3,000 miles is that we don't want the engines running low on oil. You follow me? Do you go to the side window at the bank and say, hey, give me all your money? No, you go to the fucking office.
Yeah, you go to the teller and not.
Right. So anyway, sorry for the distraction, but that goes on here all day long. So this is, we'll consider this a fleet use vehicle, right? Because it's taxi, personal transportation uses, you know, and it's very busy. So she went a little over 3,000, 4,000 miles, and 2 quarts of oil. So what we're trying to do is get the people to come back sooner and prevent them from burning an engine up, right? Or blowing up an engine, right? Which is important. Not because we're making millions of dollars on oil changes. Like, that's the least profitable service that most shops do, and the most inconveniencing one at that. But then she also wanted some tires because she needs some tires. And then we rebuilt the front end on this a while ago and took it to another shop. And it's got some outside tire wear, but she might be a little speed racer in this car, you know what I mean? Hustling around and get that money. 3,000 miles.